Just shout! Just shout! I like it.
Hey, before we get started with the whole video, go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see more videos of me! Today's video is about how to design t-shirts for Teespring like a pro. Let's get started. I use a site called Placeit. I pay for this. I know a lot of people want to do this for free. However, I still use it. Canva, Photor, sites like that are absolutely free. But Placeit.net has really taken my creation to a whole nother level. So real quick, let's just go look at the downloads of some of the things that I have created inside Placeit. And there's a ton of them. Not only can I create t-shirts, I can create things. I created this overlay inside Placeit. Let's go ahead. Let's go all the way back to 6 here. I got a lot of them here. And you see here, I got a lot of t-shirt designs. You see all the different designs that I've created in here. Now, let's go look at their designs. All right, so you got they have their regular t-shirt designs in here where these are all custom, customizable. I guess, is that a word? You can customize these any way you want. All right. However, what really excites me is their logos. Go in here to logos, and instead of clicking type your brand name, just go ahead and see all templates. And you can see there's so many different designs in here that are just incredibly hard to make in Photoshop. And these are all customizable. So, customizable, is that even a word? Let's go on. So let me just pick one in here, we'll do one together. Let's pick this one. There's so many to choose from. Let me go back. Let me show you real quick. Over here, let me go back. I'll go back. There's so many. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see this goes to 151 pages of designs. There's tons of them. I don't want to go through 150. So we're just going to pick this one right here and show you how we can customize it. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I might not want to be a pirate. They have all these different pirate themes down here for pirate. So let's say I want to search for something else. Let's say I am the name of my local whatever sports team that I want to make a shirt for is the Wolves. So I'll type Wolves in there, and you can see all the different wolves that come up. That one's kind of funny. All right, so you got all these different. You could change it to any one of these you want. Really quite cool. Now I can also change the color design. So let's say I want to change this color to different, brown or something. And you see that will change, and you see how that changed to a different brown. That's actually pretty cool. Your accent, you want to change that to a different color, red. Let's say you want to make it more of an orange. All right. And your background, go ahead and always, unless you have reason not to, make that transparent. All right. And here we are. And let's say so the name of our team is the Wolves, and it may be gaming, it may be t-ball. You'll see how that changes. Let's say you can change that to anything. Wrestling. Oh, you gotta be able to spell. And you see right there, Wolves wrestling. And I could keep customizing this. And say I don't like the head, I want to change it to that. All right. So you can see how cool that is. And I can just keep going with the colors and everything until I get it the way I want it. But I'm going to stop right there. And I'm going to say, okay, I like that. Now I'll go ahead and download this. All right, real simple download. And it automatically downloads the perfect size for a shirt, 4,000 by 4,000. And it tells you it is commercial usage okay. All right, so I hit download. So once that's processed, we'll go ahead and click here to download it. All right, and we would take that logo over to Teespring and add it to the shirt. But real quick, I want to show you what it would look like on a t-shirt or a hoodie. So let's go to mockups. Okay, and you can see all the different ones. Let's just choose one here. We'll go with this dude. We want to upload our image. Let's crop this to make this fit in there a little better, make it full, fill up the whole chest, crop, and you can see that there. Let's say I want to change my hoodie color to a gray. Maybe I want to try a black. All right, so I like that. That's cool. So I will go with that hoodie color. All right, and then I have a mock-up model, and I would just download this. Hit download, and bam. Now I want to go over to Teespring, hit start designing, and I want to do a hoodie. I'm gonna find it. Oh, hoodies and sweatshirts. Start here. All right, so we'll go with the classic pullover. Start selling. We'll go ahead and add an image. And that's that image right there. Add that. Center that. And we want to make sure we got that gray color. We want that. Right? Alright, so that's the color we want. I'm going to get rid of the white. And we're going to hit done. Continue. I'm not going to add anything else. I'm just going to say continue. Just want to have the one thing. And then you would fill in all this information. Wolves Wrestling hoodie. And of course you would actually put a description in here. I'm not going to go through all that with you right now. All right, so you do all that, and then of course publish your listing, and then bam, that creation is live. All right, so when you want to go to, you want to post it in social media, or you want to run an ad, you have this that you downloaded that we can go ahead and add to social media. So I'll go over to Twitter, and I'll put in here, grab your Wolves Wrestling hoodie. And I'm just saying, I don't have a club called the Wolves Wrestling. I'm just giving an example. All right, and then here, I would leave the link, which is, this right here. Of course, you can mask this link with, something like Rebrandly, or you can go purchase a Google domain and have it forwarded. And then I would just hit tweet. And there I have a photo and a mock-up that I created. So, so if they click on that, they can see the whole photo, and they can see exactly what the shirt looks like. And if they go over here to Teespring, it's the exact same thing because we made sure we picked the right color. All right, so you can see here, Teespring, and bam, there's the hoodie. And all right, so not bad. So pretty cool. Place it. I don't only use it for t-shirts and hoodies. You got all kinds of designs in here. YouTube templates, Twitch templates. You can make business cards. It just go as I dive deeper and deeper into my Placeit account. It really blows me away of the things that I could do. I almost considered going over to Fiverr and creating an account just to sell designs and mock-ups and the different videos. Like, say I want to make a video, I can make a video of that same design that we just made. So you're in videos, and right here, t-shirt videos. That's what I was looking for. Ha! Hit the wrong thing. So a t-shirt, I want to do a hoodie. I'm looking for a hoodie video. All right, so we'd find a video in here that we might like. So we've created our design inside Placeit. We've created a mock-up. Now we're going to create a video mock-up. And I'll show you here what it looks like. So we're going to go grab our design again. Add an audio track. Let's go ahead and just hit this select. Not a fan of the music. Kind of like that one better. So add that. Oh, we forgot to change our color. Now we have a video, mock-up with our design. We can download it. Boom, boom. Okay, so we got our video. We're downloading it for our mock-up video. And we can also, I'm going to use Twitter. You can put this in any social media you want. You can use it as an ad. You want to run a Facebook ad, you can use this for a Facebook ad, Instagram, whatever. But I'm just going to show you how you can just pop this over here in Twitter. Just so you see what it looks like. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and put, of course, grab your Wolves. Put your link. And bam. Tweet that puppy. This is just one way. I mean, I'm just showing you. I don't normally post this type of stuff on Twitter. I was just showing you. I don't have my phone on me right now because I smashed it by. I threw it. Got mad. So let's go look at my tweets. All right. So here we are. here's the tweet. Let's pause it, bring it all the way back here. We can see what it looks like inside Twitter. All right, bam, they can expand it. That looks pretty cool. And when they play it, let's go ahead and back down here. Just making sure that was working. So when they play it here, you can see how it looks. I mean, and that was just a simple one. And they have other ones. There's a ton of them. So many different ways to build a brand with places like Teespring, Redbubble, Printify, you name it. Or you want to design your own merch. There's all different ways you could use this. Use Placeit. So I like I said, I use Placeit. I could prove it. I like it a lot. If you look at all my downloads go back quite a bit. And I've been using Placeit for a couple months now. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, it just goes. Just a ton of stuff that I've created in here, from Instagram posts to I make my YouTube thumbnails in here, t-shirt mock-ups, t-shirt designs. So check out Placeit.net if you want to take your print-on-demand store to a whole nother level. It really, really, really has improved my sales, and I know it will improve yours if you implement the designs and the mock-ups and all the videos they offer in here for you to sell your online print-on-demand Teespring products. So this is how to design t-shirts for Teespring like a pro, or any other print-on-demand store out there. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh!